Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you about the documentation feature in our multi-vendor marketplace application. With the help of this feature, admin can create a seller document. Let me explain what a seller document is. Seller document are those documents which an admin requests from their sellers to upload at the time of registration. Now, if admin wants to create a seller document, he needs to click on Seller Control, Documents, and here he has to click on this plus button. Now he has to enter the name of document. Here he has to select the type of document. If he selects image, seller can upload only that document which is in JPG or in PNG format. If the admin selects document, then seller has to upload with document which is in PDF or in docs format. If he selects any, then seller can upload the document in any file format. After filling all the details, he has to click on Save. Now as you can see, a new seller document has been created with the name of insurance card. Now next step for an admin would be he has to click on Settings, Seller Settings, and from here he has to enable this option to Yes. By enabling this option, a document page will be shown to the seller at the time of registration. Now he has to click on Save. Let me show you how our front end looks. Now as you can see in the document page, seller can see all those seller documents which admin has created on his backend. Now seller has to upload these documents. Right now seller is seeing this error because seller has uploaded the file of wrong format. Now as we can see, the seller registration is completed. Now if an admin wants to see the document which seller has uploaded at the time of registration, he has to click on Seller Control, Seller Companies. He has to select a company. Now he has to click on Document section, and by clicking on this icon, admin can download the document which the seller has uploaded at the time of registration. Thank you so much for watching this video.